snake spider or snake?
Who votes snake?
There he is. Oh, it's a big box. All right, good morning. We are waiting for a table for breakfast. We got a little bit of a late start this morning. So it's daylight savings time, so it's an hour. We had to jump up an hour. It's 10:15. And we are waiting for breakfast. So there's like a 15-minute wait. Hopefully, because we're globalists, we don't have to wait that long. And I know that sounds kind of bougie. And hey, we got status, and you might as well use it, right? So, anyways, we're waiting for table. It looks absolutely gorgeous outside. The sun is out. It's supposed to be warming up today, but right now it's like 48. I'm over the cold. But we got sunny times coming up in the next week, so some warmer weather, which would be nice. But anyways, it'll be a little chill today. We do have something special planned for today. It's some sort of animal, something excursion, which I'll let you see that here later today. We've got a special treat for the kids. We've got some visitors coming. So anyways, we're gonna go have breakfast where we had it yesterday.
What's it called? It's called Wish.
Alright, so we are here for a nature trail. I don't exactly know where we're at, but you'll see it here. McKinney Ruffs Nature Park. That's where we're at. Apparently we have to catch a horse and then learn to ride it. You can only ride it if you catch it. Who's catching a horse?
2 horses.
3, 4. I don't know. I need to stretch before I...
1000!
I got a bunch of stuff. Valid all day. Look at that. Children are free. Here we go. Oh. Are we doing that? That white runner acting?
It's a skunk! I got bobcat!
You do not need a skunk. Backed up.
You can either go get your stick or try to use a new one.
Sick.
Alright, I'm gonna go for that green one.
Harrison, wait.
Oh!
I'm going for that one.
Ooh, good try, Harrison. Go, Penny.
Alright,
You
Violet.
people holding sticks?
I'm going for that swirl.
Hold on. You got to go.
Oh, man! With authority.
Harrison.
Legs far away from each other. This is not really gonna work. we gotta have our balance, and then we want to hold it in a way that it's kind of like in the middle, and it balances itself without us having to hold it much. We're gonna aim with this hand, and then we're just gonna throw it. You could scream if that gives you more power.
Whoa!
And then try.
There you go, Penny.
Throw the stick.
You gotta yell.
Whoa, good throw. Yeah.
That rabbit is DEAD.
I'm gonna try to throw it as far as I can. I'm not gonna go for accuracy or anything. It's good.
Whoa.
That's pretty fun.
No, hey, stop pushing the buttons.
Ready? Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Are we gonna throw?
Yeah.
Are we throwing?
Oh, yeah, I can do it, too. Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hit the monster! Go!
Ready?
Come on.
Go.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, Michael, you could be in javelin.
No. Our fire went out. No! Our fire has to start too. Everyone else's fire started. Mine didn't either. And theirs did.
There it goes.
Yay!
There we go.
Our fire starts! Maybe ours too. Or maybe not.
Please don't go out. Don't go out. Don't go out. You can start it again. Sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
I'm gonna get it.
Now ours starts again. Guys, it's gonna be tricky.
You gotta blow a little bit, like.
There you go, buddy.
Yay, we got it started! I think it's going for your knee. Well, you might want to.
That's okay.
Before it goes out.
There you go. Just a little
Before
bit.
we go though,
Right?
to our next activity where we're gonna see some live animals.
Oh, it's a snake.
Where do I
I'm not doing snakes. What is it? Oh, okay. I'm out. I'm out.
Raise your hand if you'd like to touch it. How about that?
Is she gonna bite?
If we stay away from its face now, this right here is a corn snake. To be more specific, it's an albino corn snake, which is one of the colors that you will find in the wild.
Slowly, Nana.
It's called a corn snake because its favorite food is corn. No, it's not corn. It likes to eat animals.
It's going up.
that
It's going up.
hide in
It's
the
going.
corn.
Whoa.
You wanna touch it?
Ooh.
And if we see its tongue, it's flicking it out. You can see that
Don't play it with me.
it has
I would pet
a
it.
split tongue.
I
What
would
it's doing, it's grabbing molecules from the air and it takes them back to a gland that it has in the back of its face.
Not in my face.
You wanna touch it?
Does it feel good, Violet?
Yeah. It feels like leather.
Oh.
Spider or snake?
Who votes snake?
There he is. Oh, it's a big box. Oh. Oh, look at that guy.
This right here is an American alligator. He is about 6 years old. But this one hasn't been, a wild one would have been a lot bigger by now. This one lives with us because it has back problems. We do have another alligator that we call the Big G. He's 3 times the size of this one. And the other one has a crooked face. So also will live with us for the rest of his life.
Scarface.
This one right here. So this one just gets to teach people about American alligators. Do you want to take these?
Yeah.
This
Remember
is
not to say it.
tail. If you see its feet, it has webbed toes, but it doesn't use them to swim. What it uses to swim is its tail.
You want to know? Yes, ma'am.
It uses it like a paddle. And the adaptation of having wet feet just helps them not sink in mud when they are walking.
Just make sure you do that.
Don't snap.
Ooh, it's soft.
And they are almost all muscle. You want to catch it? Just 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Can I touch them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you see all of the dots near its face, those are sensory organs that it uses to detect electricity.
All right, good morning, everybody. It is super early. It's like 3:40 in the morning. I have a really early wake-up call. I'm gonna end the Austin vlog here. You saw us try to make fires and, did some like target practice with some javelins and things. That was super cool yesterday, but we just had dinner last night and then we called it an early night because we knew we had a 3 a.m. wake-up call. So we're about to pack up, we're loaded up, we're ready for our friends to get here, and then we're gonna head to the Austin airport, and then we're going to the Hyatt Ziva in Los Cabos. So our trip is not done yet. We're gonna extend it another week in Mexico, but for the Austin vlogs, this is gonna be it. So thanks for watching, you guys. You wanna see the Mexico vlog, stay tuned because you're coming up right after this. Bye-bye.